Everyone, so I'm here to discuss or to share with you something. Okay, here. Yes, let's organize. Actually, this one, hindi mo kakayanin. Dior. Hindi mo kakayanin, te. Dior. So this one was my favorite one. Mom bought me this. Don't mind my face because I just got home from, school. So, let's open it up. Actually, this one was my favorite. Favorite! Open na natin. So, anong word? Buksan na natin! Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, this is my first time having Gucci bag. Gucci bag. Dior bag. And, it comes with this. I don't know what's this. Naka-plastic siya, guys, ha. Tinanggal ko na kasi siya. Inopen ko na siya kagami. Wow, look. First time having this. Yes. So, tingin nyo, di ako masaya. Actually, kaganina, I'm screaming. When I got home and see this bag, and I don't know where I'm gonna put it, pero dito daw yan, tinatali daw siya dito. Tinatali daw siya dito. So later on, I'll tally this, tie this. So next. Yes, I have 3. These 2. Next one is Louis Vuitton. Yes, LV. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Because if not, I'm ready. Even I already see this earlier. I think 15 minutes ago. So it's open. Magnet siya, guys. Magnet. So, guys, this is LV. I don't know. Ano to? This is not my first time having LV, This is not my first time having LV. I already have LV before. So, guys, look at that. See the detail. May loob pa siya, te. Pero, di mo kakayanin. Next is LV ulit. Yan, LV ulit. LV ulit. So, itong LV na to, parehas lang sila. But, yung ito, different sila. Different sila ng feel. But, same color. Same color of food. Same design, but different color. Yeah, look at that. You can wear this wherever you're wearing old man outfit, You could just such a best. Yes, like that. Pag nakita mo yung mga kumari mo sa labas, pwede mong ipakita sa kanila. Actually, mas magandang ipanglaban si Dior pag nakita mo yung mga kumare mo, ay, kunyari nagchichika kayo ng mga plastic mo kaibigan. Ay, oo nga, babe. Oo nga. Oo, babe. Oo, babe. Alam ko na yan. Hindi naman ka makapag-usap. Going to remove this. Yes. I'm just gonna take a picture.